today's episode. Classic Caillou puts his dad's phone into the microwave / blows it up / burns the kitchen on fire / grounded and inspired by Python the GT Pro Series Gamer 2019. Man, I cannot believe I got grounded once again. I wish I could get revenge on my parents, my siblings or anyone, but how? I know what I will do. I will put my dad's phone in the microwave. Ha 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 ha. I am doing it in 3, 2, 1. Yes! Bingo! I found my dad's phone. I am going to steal it. Alright. Now I got my dad's phone. I am going to go to the kitchen. When Classic Caillou got to the kitchen. Alright. Now that I am in the kitchen, I am going to put my dad's phone into the microwave. Yes! I put my dad's phone into the microwave. Yes! I put my dad's phone into the microwave. Now I will be going to... Oh no! What have I done? I blew up the microwave, and I burned the kitchen up. Shit! I am so busted big time. Meanwhile... Rosie, do you see something burning?
I don't know, but I don't know where that smell is coming from. I probably think it is coming from the kitchen. Why do I see something burning? I don't know, I think that must be coming from the kitchen. Yes, I do. Where is it coming from? Wait a minute, I bet that smell is coming from the kitchen.
What the fuck? Oh my gosh! We need to get to the kitchen before it is too late. Hey Doris, do you smell something suspicious? When Boris and Doris went to the kitchen. What the? The kitchen, it is on fire. And I need to call 999 so that the firefighters can. Wait a minute, where's my phone again? Well, you are going to be so furious when I tell you, but I put your phone into the microwave, and the microwave blew up, and I think the explosion burned up the kitchen. Oh, Oh, my freaking god! Classic freaking idiot! Moron, retarded, bald-ass phone, microwave exploding, kitchen burning Caillou. How? Mother? Fuck! King dare you put my phone in the microwave, blow it up and then set the kitchen on fire. Now I have to buy a new phone, including a new microwave. Thanks to you. And my phone costed £414 and the microwave costed £1,000.
That's it. You are grounded until Halloween, which is in 3 months. So you are grounded for 3 months. Now go to your room, right now.
Wow. This day sucks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, and tap the notification bell for more videos. That's all for now. This is me, signing off as always, and as usual. See you later, and have a nice day!